Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the air filter on a 2013 Subaru Impreza. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Open the hood and locate the rectangular air box near the engine. Remove fasteners using a screwdriver and lift the lid carefully to avoid dislodging ducts. Take out the old filter and inspect the housing for leaves or oil. Install the new filter with the seal facing down. Begin by loosening the clips or screws on the airbox lid, keeping parts organized. Gently lift the lid and set it aside so no debris falls into the intake. Remove the old filter straight up and inspect it for heavy dirt or damage that indicates replacement. Clean the housing interior with a rag, avoiding liquids. Place the new filter in the same orientation, press the edge to seat it, and resecure the lid and fasteners. Check the filter regularly, especially after driving on dirt roads, and change it around 12,000 to 15,000 miles or when visibly dirty. If you notice rough idling or reduced fuel economy after replacement, recheck the filter orientation and housing seal. Avoid using compressed air to blow clean the element as it can damage the pleats. Store a spare filter in the trunk and bring gloves and a flashlight for roadside swaps or inspections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.